Hi, this is a demonstration of the Eurostart BRS7 remote engine starter kit installed in this 2020 BMW X4M competition. With this remote starter, it is a plug-in design system, so that means there's no cutting or splicing into the vehicle's wiring. The vehicle remains 100% intact. And you also have three options to remote start this vehicle. You could use long-range two-way remote controls. You could use a smartphone app, so you can start your vehicle from anywhere using your smartphone. And you can also use the factory key fob, which I'll demonstrate now. To start the vehicle, simply just press the lock button 3 times. And on the last time, press and hold it for 2 seconds. Park lights will confirm. And the vehicle will start up in a few seconds. There it is, it's now running. And with this remote starter, it can also activate the driver's and passenger's heated seats at your desired temperature level settings, as long as the interior temperature of the vehicle is below 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And the default runtime is 15 minutes, or if you'd like to turn it off before that, simply just press the unlock button and then the lock button. And if you'd like to find a dealer near you, please see the Eurostart website, www.eurostart.com, and click on the dealer locator link. Thanks for watching.